Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to insert headers and footers in Excel. So let's get started. First select the insert tab, then from the text group select header and footer, and you will see the header boxes and also the footer boxes below. Okay, now select any of the boxes and then from the header and footer tab you will see all the elements that you will be able to insert in those boxes. So let's insert the page number here and click away. That means click anywhere outside of those of that particular box. Okay, so you see the page number on here. You can also insert multiple elements in a single box. Anyway, I will show you a bit later. Let's insert another one. Pages, it will show all the number of the pages. Okay, the number of total pages. Here the current date, and it works the same in the footers. Okay, so time, file path, file name, and so on. Okay, so if you want to, let's say, okay, first let's see if this is working for other pages. Yes, this is working just fine. So let's, if you want to delete any of the headers and footers, then just press backspace or delete and then click away. Okay, okay, now let's see the file name. It is working, and then sheet name. Yes, everything is working just fine. Okay, now what if you need to, or you want to insert multiple elements in a single box? Then you, what you need to do is just, you can insert any space and then select the other elements, that is, let's say, the number of pages. Okay, so you get one and then space and then number of pages. You can also type anything in between, so space of and then number of pages, so 1 of 10. If you want to write something, let's say page beforehand, then it will look like this: page 1 of 10, 2 of 10, okay, and so on. If you want to type anything, just text without any elements, let's say customer info, it will work just fine. Okay, yes. Now excuse me, let's see. Okay, now the picture element. This is a very beautiful and useful feature. You can use this both for inserting logos at the top or anywhere, and also inserting watermarks in the pages. Okay, so let's see how to insert logos first. Okay, so click on picture and then from file select the particular logo. This logo has a larger dimension, keep that in mind, so you may need to shrink it before inserting. Okay, so you can do that using the format picture option, and then make sure the lock aspect ratio is checked and change it to, let's say, 1.9% height instead of 100%. Okay, and then click OK and click away, and you get this result. Okay, you can also format this from the picture tab and changing the color to washout, and then you get this result. Okay, but as it is a logo at the top, we don't need to dim the color of it, so just keep it as it is. Okay, now let's see how to insert the watermark. Let's delete this for now. So before inserting the watermark, you need to create the picture for the watermark, okay, or the text for the watermark. So from the insert tab, create an word art, let's say this one. Then type anything you want, let's say subscribe to Excelpedia. Okay, please subscribe to Excelpedia. Okay, let's rotate it a bit. Looks fine. Right click on the word art and then save it as a picture. Okay, now we don't need this. Okay, now insert this and see how it works. Okay, so this is the result we get. Okay, now to reposition the watermark, let's enter some lines before the and symbol. Okay, so press enter and you will get some line breaks, and accordingly the image will be uh, moved down. Okay, so let's enter a few more. Okay, and it looks good. Okay, but the watermark is blocking the text or the data. Okay, so let's go to the header box, format the picture and change the color from automatic to washout. Okay, and now it is looking just fine. See, perfect. Now let's see if this is working in the print preview window. Okay, so Control P or file print. Okay, it's working just fine. Let's let's copy this or cut this and paste it here. Okay, and insert the logo instead in here. So picture, logo, and format 1.8%, let's say. Okay, looks fine. Let's shrink it a bit more, 1.5. Let's see, it is no, it isn't working. Let's try to change it to just 1%. Yes, it is working. So maybe the number should be an integer number anyway. So now let's see if the print preview is working perfectly. Yes, this is working perfectly. Okay, now what else is there to discuss? Let's see. Okay, so if you want the top page to have different header and footer from the rest of the pages, you must check this option, different first page. Okay, so check this checkbox in that case. And also if you want different header and footer for word pages and event pages, this option should be checked. Okay, so keep this in mind. Now just save it, and from the status bar click the normal view, or you can also do that from the view tab and then normal. Okay, that's it. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.